Hey there, crafty friends. Today, I've got something super fun and refreshing to share with you. It is the all-new Celebratory Sips Suite from the May online exclusives. If you love a good mixed drink or know someone who does, this suite is going to be an absolute hit for your cards and paper projects. It's also worth noting that this suite was designed to coordinate with the Celebrate Together scrapbooking workshop kit. So, for all you scrapbookers out there, these two groups of products might be for you. Let's dive right in. The Cheers and Sips bundle is at the heart of this collection. It includes the Cheers and Sips photopolymer stamp set and coordinating dies. This set is so much fun. You can create your own drink designs, add adorable little garnishes, and even mix up your own sentiments. It's perfect for cards that celebrate special moments, whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just to say cheers. One of the coolest details about this bundle is the line stamp. It's designed to be used as a waterline to show how full your glass is. Whether you're filling it with water, juice, or something a bit stronger, you can completely customize your drinks. Since this set is designed for watercoloring, it's so easy to make those drinks look realistic, adding your own personal flair. But that's not all. The suite also comes with the Glass and Gardens embossing folder. This gives your backgrounds a stylish, textured look, almost like the patterns you might find on a fancy glass. It adds just the right touch of elegance and detail to really elevate your projects. Now let's talk about those iridescent holographic resin dots. They're adhesive-backed, so no fussing with glue. You get 190 of these shimmering dots, and they're perfect for adding a little sparkle to your cards, almost like bubbles in your drink. Here's a fun little tip. One of my favorite things in this set is the curlicue design. It works great as a decorative element, but it can also double as a handle for an umbrella. How cute is that? It's these little touches that make crafting with this suite so much fun. And don't forget the gold striped 3/8" mesh ribbon. It's lightweight and adds a bit of glamour to any project. I love using it to tie around the base of a card or even layering it for a festive, celebratory vibe. Whether you're making a card to celebrate an anniversary, raise a toast, or just to have some creative fun, the Celebratory Sips Suite is perfect for mixing things up. I can't wait to see how you use this fun collection. Cheers to all your crafty creations. Happy crafting!